Hi, and welcome to the Easy Way channel. Today I have one quick video for you, and that is how you can add your favorite web page as shortcut on your desktop. This is useful if you visiting that page multiple times during a day, so you don't have to Google it every time you want to go there. This way, you can access it directly from your desktop. Before we start, hit that like button, and I will be right back. Okay. First open Google Chrome, and go to the website you want to add shortcut to your desktop. For this video I will go to YouTube and Twitter, but you can choose Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, or whatever page you want. When you are on the front page of your site, click on this 3 dots in top right corner of your screen. Now hover with your mouse on More Tools option. You will get this extended menu, and here click on Create Shortcut. If you want that every time you go on this site, it opens as a window, then check this box here. Click on Create. I will show you now what it means. I will also add YouTube shortcut, but I will not check option to open it as a window. You can see that I have YouTube and Twitter shortcut on my desktop now. I can even pin them to my taskbar. I will now open YouTube. And as you see, it opened it in browser. With all other tabs I have opened, I can go on homepage and continue surfing on other websites. And when I open Twitter, it will open it as a separate window. And this is only for surfing on Twitter, so choose the option you like more. And with this, we came to the end of this video. I hope that you find it useful. If you did, please hit that like button, and please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next Easy Way tutorial. Bye.